Good morning, guys. We woke up pretty recently, but today what we're doing is we're finishing up the speaker, and I have no idea what else we're doing today. I think we wanted to go hiking, but I don't know if that's gonna happen because we're finishing up the speaker. That's like first priority because it's Thad's last day on break. Yeah, this is the video where we finish the speaker. Noah's not answering. We're gonna leave you, Noah.
Muy artista.
Hola.
Pick up El Thad.
Thaddeus. Okay, we're finishing up the speaker. That's taken us so long to do. Hopefully this makes it work. Are you okay?
No.
Alright, so pretty much what we're doing right now is we're going to Fry's. It's just like the store where you could get electronic things, such as an amp. And Noah's coming with us. I don't know why we brought you, but
I don't know either.
You're coming. Alright guys, we just got guided to finding the car electronics.
The car electronics.
The amplifiers. And I asked one of these guys to vlog, but they were too scared. I think he's found the amps. Nope, he found camera lenses. We're getting closer. We're approaching the amplifiers. Amplifier acquired. I don't know what the frick that accent was.
Little retard acquired. Farther away.
We have enough racks.
Enough racks. Gotta go make a purchase. And then clean camera.
Dude, yeah, it's dirty.
So dirty.
I'm sorry.
There it is.
The amp has been achieved.
Hopefully it's enough juice power.
Thick amp. How long does it take to put it in, Ted?
It dude's
5
quick.
minutes.
It takes like 2.
Yes.
Alright, we just got back to Thad's house. Noah's filming. It's good because he's tall too, so you know you get that extra good view. But Ashley's coming with you. We're gonna go get the sub, and we need to open that garage. But we're gonna bring it out in the garage so we can put it in the back of the car and pick it up.
It's very heavy.
That's fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was easy. We just went in and got it pretty quick.
Nice chili.
Turn your seat heaters on.
Noah's excited.
Oh, your seat heaters.
Back about warm.
Okay. Thad did some thingies to the amp.
Yeah.
That we don't know.
Wired it so good
Yeah.
to go. Yes.
Thicky.
Alright, we're having this continuous issue where it's just not playing out of the sub at all.
In front of this cross member here, like nothing back is playing, and so our subs aren't getting any audio signal. So we're trying to find a thing to pull this apart, and then we're gonna go from there.
I don't really want to get copyrighted, but we're gonna play a song so you guys can see like the bass.
Just play if you
See
want
it
to show
move.
them.
So I'm gonna give the camera back to that, and then so you guys see it
If you
move.
want to show them.
Alright, so Dad,
Yes.
it's a really long process. But we did it. Or you did it.
Thad mostly did it.
Everyone, except for Noah.
No.
No one listened though.
Yeah.
We can relax. Because the speaker is done. The long process of finishing the speaker.
There's a lot of stress gone.
Yeah, everything. Now we can just chill and do whatever else we have to do today, which I don't really know. Nothing. We're pretty triggered. Ordered pizza.
It's still showing on the tracker that you guys haven't even prepped it yet.
Yeah, sir, I just got here and I'm trying to get people on. What I can do for you, I can free up that piece and get it to you as soon as I can.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Alright, 1 sec before, let me get off the phone.
All
What
right.
is your phone number? Could it be under a different phone number or something? Because I don't have...
Yeah, there's another phone. 702.
So basically we ordered a pizza like over an hour ago and it said it was going to be here and it's not here, so triggered. Hey buddy.
I want freaking doo-doo in someone's mouth.
Yeah, whoa. You do not want to mess with that guy, do you?
No.
Yeah, it's a little crazy.
Really not that hard to make 3 pizzas and some chicken nuggets. I swear.
Go to Victoria's Secret, get free panties.
Yeah.
That's the move. Wait, we get free pizza?
The whole order's free.
Oh yeah.
Moves. Making moves. I still am pissed that I had to wait 2 hours for it though.
Yeah, we've been waiting 2 hours for the pizza.
So that sounded like the manager. He said, yeah, I'll get that made. I'll get it to you as quick as possible. It's on me.
Sweet.
It's like off to the right with all the tools. No.
I can't see
No hammer.
This is even better.
Max, take this in the hammer and put it in that cabinet.
I'm gonna punch your butt.
I'm just really hungry. I just get crazy, you know?
Yeah.
We're actually getting crazy now because we do not have our pizza.
What is that?
This is urgent.
Hello.
Sorry about the wait.
Oh, you're good.
Thank you so much for getting me to
I'm gonna leave this.
The pizza has been unlocked.
Bro, this that Ethan goes, I'm pretty sure I'm virgin.
Pizza!
No. Before you eat, pizza celebration dance.
Okay, let's eat. You already know we got the pineapple pepperoni, the chicken nuggets, the cinnamon, everything. We're gonna go bump in the car. Big sex with the boys. So, we had the amp all done and everything, and we unplugged it to mount the amp to the sub, and it just didn't work. So now we think we have to go get another amp again and do that. So the subwoofer, I don't even know, the Subwoofer Chronicles are not over yet. We have to go back to the store and finish up, but it sounded really awesome when we had it done, so I'm really looking forward to doing that. Just sucks that this is a continuous, just like on and on and on cycle of trying to finish this. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here though. Subscribe, whatever you want to do. I just don't care anymore. I'll see you guys next time though, and hopefully the sub will be done, out of the way. Don't have to mess with it anymore. Peace.
Straight out of jail to the crib, I'm quick with a switch, man, we never miss, okay. Boss to turn up in the club, man, about to fuck out, we ain't taking no pictures. See all the wings in the front, it's us, we had to triple the digits. See all those sexy mama blowing kisses, man, we had to grant all they wishes. Casamigos got me spinning, but I want some spend.